Hi everyone, for my mural appreciation project, I decided to explore public art and governance in three Latin American cities, Bogota, Sao Paulo, and Lima. I will show one mural from each city and talk about how they connected to local culture and government attitudes toward public art. Let's start with Bogota, Colombia. The mural I choose is full of color and life. It shows animals, fruits, and symbols of nature painted along a narrow street. Visually, it's very appealing. The composition flows with the shape of the buildings, and the colors are bright and warm, which makes the whole alley looks alive. In terms of craftsmanship, the brushwork is detailed and expressive. You can tell the artist really understands the texture of the wall. And this mural also fits the location perfectly. Bogota has a strong urban art movement, and the government now supports it as a way to share identity and attract visitors. It integrates well with the surrounding architecture, turning old house into a living gallery. The second one is Sao Paulo, Brazil. This mural is painted on a modern building, showing two large eyes and a mix of the abstract patterns. It's very visually engaging, and the composition uses geometric shapes to create balance and energy. The use of color, especially blue and orange, gives it a sense of and intensity. Sao Paulo's relationships with street art has changed a lot. Graffiti used to be illegal, but now artists have designated spaces to paint freely. This shows a new level of cooperation between artists and the governments. I think that makes the art feel more accepted and part of the city's identity. The last one is from Lima, Peru. The mural I choose shows a man with a heart-shaped and frame and a bird inside. It feels emotional and introspective. The subject matter is meaningful. It represents freedom and hope, which are powerful themes in Peruvian society. The craftsmanship is excellent, and the shading and the realism show real skill. Even though Lima has more regulation on street art, many artists still use it to talk about social issues and community stories. That gives the mural culture relevance and connects it to everyday people. When I look at all three cities together, I see how public art becomes a bridge between artists, citizens, and the governments. Bogota uses art to celebrate culture. Sao Paulo turns regulation into creativity, and Lima transforms emotion into community expression. In the end, I think the street art isn't just a decoration. It's a conversation on the wall. It tells us what people feel and what they value and how they see their city. For me, this project made me realize that art and governance are deeply connected, and that and that creative expression is an important part of the public life. So, okay, thank you for listening.